So 6, 5. Okay, so then it says, on the domain of the given function, did the absolute extrema occur at the function's relative extrema? So, did the absolute mins and maxes occur, if they occurred, at a relative min or max? Here it did. Yeah, and on here it did. What about this one? No. Where did it occur here? Where was it on the graph? At the end. It was at an end point. That's absolutely right. So, I know one in green. On the graph of F, the absolute min occurred at a relative min, and on the graph of G, the absolute min occurred at a relative min, but its absolute max did not occur at one of its relative maxes. Okay, now we're going to be looking at the same two pictures, f of x and g of x, but we're going to be looking at absolute extrema, but only on a particular interval. So we're going to look from -2 to 3. So from here to here. So only in between those two parts. So here to there. And it includes the endpoint, so that's why I actually put those dots there. So that's all we're going to look at. So looking at that, I want you to write down what you think the absolute extrema are. So that would be absolute max and absolute min, if there are any. Christmas colors. Yeah, I really wish I could get in and sing the right notes. Okay. So the biggest point here looks like it's here. Do you agree? Yeah, and that's at -1, 3. And the lowest one looks like it's here, which is at 2, -6. There. Okay, so now I'm going to erase all that. Now we're looking at the interval from -4 to 1. So that's going to change some things. -4 to +1. So that's going to go from here to here. Oh, I don't think I wrote that right. It's actually here. There we go. So I want you on the next set to write down the absolute max and mins of just that blue part, which it looks like you've already done. Okay, Lilies, what is absolute max? Yeah, it's at, change colors. It's at this point. It's not at the top of the hill or anything, but it is at an end point. So -4, 4. And what's the absolute min? -3, yep. Another, so that end point. Good. Now we're going to look at, yep, you're there. Look at the other one, from -4 to 5. I'm just going to highlight. -4, 5. Okay, absolute max.
You said -1, 4, and 5?
Yes, there's 2 of them because they go to both the highest point. So yes. Oh, I think it's -1, 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So -1, 4, and 5. What about absolute min?
-3, -4.
Yep. Okay. The next one goes from -2 to 6. Get rid of all these extra points here. -2 to 6. Yeah, you're quicker than I am. Okay. Absolute max and min. Okay, so what'd you get for absolute max?
6, 5.
6, 5. Yep, that's highest. And the min?
-2, 0.
Yep. 6, 5, 2, 0. You good? All right. Okay, so when the domain is restricted, so like I say, just from here to here, on a particular closed interval, at what 3 places can the absolute extrema exist? Yep, it can be at the endpoints. At the endpoints of the closed interval. Where else? Yeah, the relative max and min, which those technically are found by f prime of x equaling 0. So at any x value where f prime of x equals 0, or at any x value where f prime of x is undefined. So that's what you said, relative maxes and mins, because that's where they occur. It's just getting a little more detailed.